It was the first rape trial of its size here in the Democratic Republic of Congo. In the eastern city of Goma, the 39 soldiers charged arrived at this military court to hear the final verdict. 18 months earlier, retreating government troops flooded the nearby town of Goma after being defeated in battle by the M23 rebels. This woman lives there and is one of dozens, possibly hundreds, who tell similar stories.
We heard that government soldiers were coming and were looting. 17 of them came into where we were hiding. There were 14 of us, and they raped all of us.
The court had earlier heard testimonies from 76 women before the time came for the final judgment. Congo still practices the death penalty, and a long sentence in a jail here is not much better. This man got 10 years and was kicked out of the army. The income alone can be a lifeline for a whole family in a country with few jobs. 26 got jail sentences, mostly for looting. The others were acquitted. Only 2 were found guilty of rape. Observers say the prosecution failed to provide evidence that the men standing trial were the men who actually did it. The defendants who were sitting in these chairs throughout the hearings over the last 5 months finally know their fate. About 2/3 are going to jail and about 1/3 of them have been set free. All of those are officers, and that's going to leave some of the victims and human rights activists asking if justice has actually been done. But the defense says everything was fair.
We demonstrated for rape cases that these people did not rape. When the commanders heard there was trouble and shooting, they summoned the soldiers. They called them together to know who were present and who were absent.
And that's largely how guilt was determined, being absent from the roll call. These men will spend years in jail as a result, and they're angry about it. They say their commanders let them down. And with so few successful rape convictions, the victims are left wondering how much progress has been made towards ending sexual violence and impunity. Webb, Jazeera, Goma in the Democratic Republic of Congo.